The different types of data modeling. So very, very simple. There's just three types you really need to understand. So with conceptual, the way you should think about it is each one goes at a deeper level. Conceptual is the highest level. And what that means is if you look back at this table, all you're really doing is this purple part. The dim users, the fact restaurants, the fact review, the dim country, the dim restaurant. That's it. This is, hey, if you're presenting to your boss, hey, I think we should have a dim reviews table, fact reviews table, dim restaurants table, dim country, fact restaurants attributes. That's it. That's all that a conceptual data modeling part consists of.